Okay, could you describe an occasion when the weather stopped you from doing your activity outside?
What? So I didn't get the question very well.
Okay, could
Speak
you
more slowly.
describe me one day the weather stopped you from doing your activity outside?
Okay. Uh, really?
Has the weather
For
stopped you one day?
okay. One day I was going to do some sport like
Okay.
I used to do,
Okay.
and outside it was really raining,
Mm-hmm.
so the weather is and make a barrier to me for doing my activity.
Okay.
So uh, in in place in do it right now, I choose to do another activity
Okay.
in home at home. Uh, so that's it.
That's it.
Yeah.
I didn't get your story, but no problem. Okay.
For
Do you
the,
think?
probably me, I didn't get the question right.
Okay, I said, have you ever been stopped by the weather from doing an activity outside? Maybe you were going shopping, you were going with your friends somewhere,
And
and
the weather,
yeah, the weather stopped you.
yeah, I thought it was American. It was very clear. So I told you that I was going to do sport,
Okay.
but like running.
Mhm.
But the weather is was raining.
Okay.
Do you
It
understand
started
me right
raining.
now?
Okay, it
It
started
was
raining.
raining, so I
Okay.
can't do
It
sport.
was raining or started raining after you go out.
It was raining.
Okay. Why did
Uh,
you go then? Why did you
it,
decide to
it
go?
rains. It rains.
Okay.
Okay. So I decided to change the activity and I do another activity at home.
Okay, fine,
That's it.
great. Yeah, now
Okay.
it's clear. Yeah. Okay, do you think the weather has much impact on people's daily routine or activities?
Uh, sure, sure. But I'm gonna tell you that some people they're really clear about their objectives. It's not like me when the weather is bad. It was bad.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not. I was not able to do my activity.
Okay.
But like other people, they can do it.
Whatever happens.
Whatever happens. That
Okay. Okay. And another question: do you think people in your country concern a lot about the weather?
in my country. What side?
Give me illustrations like travels, like wedding, like whatever. Try to discuss it in your way.
Okay, but me, I'm gonna discuss it in another way.
Okay.
Like for example, I'm gonna tell you the people in our country. Of course, our country has a great weather. It was almost shining. Uh,
It is.
it
Okay.
is always shining. So people doesn't have a lot of problem with the weather,
Okay.
and I'm gonna discuss it from economic
Side.
side.
Okay.
Okay, our country based on
Tourism.
no, I'm gonna I want to tell the agriculture
Okay.
agriculture
Agriculture. Okay.
agriculture. So the rain is very important for us because we didn't have a lot of uh, uh, resources of water.
Okay.
So our country has to still wait for running all the year for having that great resources. That's what uh, move the economics in our country. That's it.
Okay. That's it.
Yeah,
Okay. The last question: do you think the weather has direct effect on tourism in your country?
the weather on tourism.
Yes.
Okay.
How do you see this issue?
Can you give me more clarification?
Okay. Um, has the weather any impact or effect on tourism in your country?
In that, yeah, the weather has a great effect because our weather is great in the world because we
Okay.
are in a great placement in the world.
And we
So
have 4 seasons a year, right?
yeah, we have 4 seasons a year.
Okay.
So people choose go to come to Morocco to pass a great time
Okay.
in like in the beach or in the mountains or go. You could do a lot of activities in one day. Like for example, go beach, go in mountains like climbers. You can also go to
Like also with great.
skiing
Okay.
in mountains in Weka, for example. We have also sand, so it's a lot of things that we
Variety
can
of,
do in
yeah.
one day. Yeah,
Okay, fine. So people choose to come here because of this variety of weather.
yeah.
Okay, fine,
That's
great,
it.
great. Do you have anything to say more?
So
How do you find the subject of weather?
weather, I found it a little bit confused. I was a little bit confused about the weather because I'm never discussed like this
Okay, great. So
subject.
it's an occasion to share.
Yeah,
to speak
okay.
about weather.
If it was another subject, it's gonna be more great.
Okay,
But
inshallah, why not next time? Yes.
Okay.
Okay, thanks
I want
for.
to thank you
Yeah,
very
welcome.
much.
You
Thank
too.
you for efforts.
Yeah, nice to
Okay.
be. Okay, thank you.